In this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set your system variables and also go over real briefly what a system variable is and how you can see what they are. So first, let's go ahead and open up a command prompt by clicking on the start button and typing in CMD. And then up here you can see command prompt shows up. I'm just going to go ahead and right click, run as administrator. From here, if you type in the word set and press enter, you can see everything that is set as your system variables. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you two different ways on how to be able to set your system variable. One is using a keyboard shortcut by holding down the Windows key and pressing the pause break key. It will go ahead and open up your system settings in the control panel. And from here, we just go to Advanced System Settings and then click on Environment Variables. Now real quick, I'm going to go ahead and back up and show you another way to be able to get here, and that is just by clicking on the Windows button and start to type System Variables. And then click on Edit System Environment Variables. And again, click on Environment Variables. Now here we're going to go ahead and double click on Path, and each one of these paths is being set where you can run a command from this path without being in that path. And to illustrate that, I'm going to show you here. Now earlier I created a folder called Scripts, which I'm going to go ahead and navigate to. And we can see here I have a test command file that if I run it, it just goes ahead and echoes that this is a test script. Now that I'm back directly at the C prompt and no longer inside of the scripts folder, if I run it from here, it is not recognized as an internal or external command because it is not listed in the environment variables. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on New and then put in the path to the scripts folder. Now I'm going to go ahead and click OK and OK again and OK a third time. Now if I go ahead and try to run it again, see it did not come up because it still doesn't know that it's there, and that's because this particular command shell has not reloaded the system variables, and to be able to do so we just go ahead and simply close it and reopen it. So I'm going to go ahead and right click again, run as administrator. Now I can type it in here and it goes ahead and runs that script. I can go right to the C drive, not inside of any folder, and run it again as well. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button if you're into that kind of thing, and if you didn't like this video, then go ahead and slap that dislike button twice so we know that you mean it. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on New. I have if I go into a folder that I called Scripts,